going to give you a briefly introductions of our project, which is Heaven Security Home Security Alarm System. I know this project not that beautiful and not that decorative, but we try our best to get any supplies that near to us. Since it's MCO, we quite short of supply. Okay, the first component is solar system, and the next one is PIR sensor, and the third one is buzzer. Open it up. Ta-da! I know the wire management not that good, but I try my best to make it look good and manageable. So the fourth component is battery pack powered up to 10 volt, but each battery powered up to 5 volt. And the second one is USB power supply power up to 3.3 volt until 5 volt. And this one is GSM SIM 900A, and this one is our main component, which is Arduino Uno R3, and this is the breadboard. There's LED. Okay, that's all of our introductions of our project. Thank you. The next video, I'm going to show how does this project work. Stay tuned. Alright, we at the end of demonstration. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day ahead. Bye!